Today we're going to make this mini book using only one piece of paper.
Let's get started. All you're going to need is some scissors and a piece of paper. Here I have an 8.5 by 11 page. I am going to have the long side left to right, short side top to bottom, and I'm going to start folding. Now I'm using a white piece of paper for my book, but you could use any color. I just find white works because then you can write in your book after, but if you're doing a little book that you're gluing things into, or you want to use like a different color or markers or something to write on it, you could use any color. First thing you're going to do is fold over once. So I just folded it in half. Then what I'm going to do is take this again. This time I'm doing bottom to top, and I'm going to fold it again. And then I'm going to fold one more time. I'm going to go left to right. So I'm folding it again. There we go. This is going to be the size of my book, but we're not done yet. We need to open up the book. So I'm going to open it up. And at this point, I am going to do some cutting here. Now, I'm just going to show you, this is the top of my book. This is the part that's stuck together. So in here, this part here, this is stuck together, right? So it's folded. This is where you want to cut. You do not want to cut at the top where it's opened. So here it's folded together, and on this line, I'm just going to use my scissors. And I'm going to cut until I get to where there's another fold here. So see here, there's a fold here, then I stop. And that's going to give me this tiny little cut. And that's all you need to do. Then you'll see that it's cut like this. So here you go. It's all opened. Then what you want to do is fold it again, so it's a long rectangle. And then this is where the slit is going to be, where you cut it. So what you want to do is just push it together. So see how I'm taking one side and the other side, and I'm just pushing those two sides together like this. Because you already have folds, then you just fold over, fold front, and you now have a book. When you open it up, you've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's your little book. I'm going to show you here. I have one done where I started the decorations, my little book of, and then I can create my book. And you can make a book of whatever you would like.
Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.